This is not a war story. This is a family story.
No! 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 Oh God! Oh God!
Dubai, a city where the lights never sleep and the nights feel like dreams. Families laughing, streets glowing, life moving forward daring, peaceful, warm, and full of hope. No one knew that tonight, everything was about to change. This is the story of one family, one long night, and the love that held them together when the world fell apart.
Mom, look at my drawing! Oh! What is it this time? Our house and Biscuit running in the yard. You forgot the big tree. Oops, there.
Dinner smells incredible. Is it spaghetti?
Yes, sir, your favorite.
Just the way I like it.
Glad you're happy.
Yay, I'm so hungry.
Me too. I'll set the table. It's still strange sometimes, living here.
Why?
Because 2 years ago, we were shoveling snow in Ohio.
And now we complain about the heat.
I like Dubai. There are so many lights at night. And the beach.
Get back! Away from the window!
Oh, God! No! No! What is happening? We have to get out of here!
Daddy, what's happening?
Stay with me. Don't move.
Breaking co. Projectiles originating from Iranian territory are now striking Dubai International Airport. All residents must seek immediate shelter.
Oh God. Michael, this is really happening.
We need to go. Right now. Stay close. Don't let go of my hand, Mia.
Come on, baby.
There! She's there!
I've got you. I've got you.
I got scared. I couldn't see you.
I know. I'm here. I will always find you. Always.
Move away from the road! Get inside buildings! Now! Close the mall! Everyone out! Leave everything and go now!
Mom, that boy is crying. He's scared, sweetheart.
She's going to be okay.
Yeah. She really is.
Dad, are we gonna be okay?
Yes, baby. Dad is here. Mom is here. We are together. And when we're together, we are okay.
You were scared?
Very scared. But being brave doesn't mean you're not scared.
Then what does it mean?
It means you stay together.
There are so many people here.
Yes. But they feel the same things, don't they? Fear, hope, love, and the wish that everyone goes home safely. Dad, why did this happen?
Some things in the world are very complicated, Mia. Things that even adults don't fully understand.
But what I know for sure is this, Dal. We love each other. And we go home together. Everyone, the exit is clear. You are safe now.
Everyone is helping each other.
That's something people forget.
What?
That before we are from different countries? We are all human.
Looks like our flight is still on time.
Finally, we made it.
Mom,
We're okay. All three of us.
we are okay. Wow, look at the planes.
We're going home, sweetheart.
Will we ever come back to Dubai?
Maybe someday, when the lights are shining again.
Wow, so pretty.
In the longest night, strangers helped strangers. Parents held their children. Families stayed together.
Fear may arrive without warning, but love, courage, and kindness are always stronger. And kindness are always stronger. And sometimes, the greatest victory is simply going home together.
If this story moved you, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like and share this video with someone you love.